taking a little break from working on the truck and putting in some time on my 1980 Motobecane Moped. Just wanted to share a quick tip. Right now I'm switching out the front shock boots. The old ones just crumbled up completely. And I just got the treats kit for this bike. And I was having trouble figuring out how to get them onto the fork itself. A guy on Treats left a review and said to heat these guys up, try to stretch it over the front fork wheel mounts, but that was taking me down the wrong path, and I'm going to show you the way I got them on super easy. So I was trying to stretch it over this guy, which I think it would work, but I don't know, I was trying to soap it up, get it on there, and that's just not the right way to go. So first thing I did is just get some brake cleaner, try to clean up this lower part of the shock first. And what you're gonna do is just unscrew this guy, take this lower end all the way off. So you unscrew that, there should be a sleeve that comes out with it. And what you're going to do is just turn this clockwise. It should unscrew and fall out there. You see it's threaded up at the top, a couple sleeves. And what I'm going to do is try to take these all the way off. Just leave them in the order that they are. Shock boot on. Whoa. Where did this come from? Yeah, this piece just seems to be a follower. So just push this in first. Just push that follower that fell out up higher. There we go. At this point I'm going to spray a little brake cleaner and clean off these threads. At this point here, you're just going to want to screw in that lower end of the shock all the way up until you have a little bit of bounce back. It kind of hits a spring, and then right here it doesn't want to spin anymore. And you just do one rotation off of that. Make sure it's even with the other side. And then just screw in that cowling at the top. You should be all locked in and ready to go. We'll get these nice and snug. Just moped snug. Tight, and just a little bit tighter. Yeah. Cool. Clean off my grease.